Hey folks, here's the completed pizza shop as you've seen before, and the new lit up signage and everything on Froggy Photo, the official name of the central camera build. I have to install the front wall permanently and put the roof in the parts on the top here, but I've got the wiring finished up. So here you can see inside the pizza shop. The guy there is tossing the pizza. We got a bad bulb in the sun we gotta fix. And here in Froggy Photo, we have all the cameras on display inside the windows. And you can see the showroom in the back. And here's our beautiful Art Deco neon sign. So all told, I think this came out pretty nice. So once I wrap up the roof and everything, I'll finish this project and on to the third and final building, which will be it's Who's Your Mama's Bakery from Clever Models. All right, take care, folks. Thanks for watching.